I'm going to use the ID node now and look at the ID node as a way to get to more interesting distributions. So first I'm going to add a sphere, then a cube, and then a cylinder. And I'm going to select all three, and I'm going to go to the Mesh tab and add a mesh network. And if I zoom out, we can see that the distribution is, number of points are 3. Center that distribution, increase the distribution, and I've got lots of just lots of cylinders. So where are the other objects? If you go to the Mesh repro tab, you can see that all the objects are here. They're just not being used yet. So if I go back to Mesh and I click on the ID node and add the ID node, now it's going to use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are my objects, and it's kind of distributing them in order in which they were added to the network. I can then switch this to random, so I can get them to show up randomly. You know, if I add, oops, sorry, I don't want ID count 4. If I move the seed, I can see that I can have them kind of randomly show up in different orders. I could also decrease the count to just 2 if I just wanted to use 2 objects. And if I wanted to use just a particular 2, if I go back to the Mesh repro tab, I can juggle these by middle mouse dragging them around. And so then the you know, what 1, 2, and 3 are different. So then I'm just using 0 and 1 right now. If I go back to the ID node again and increase this to 3, then I get all 3 objects. I can then use these and add another randomization node, add a randomization node to this to get sort of more interesting shapes and distributions.